Often in Excel we want to find data quickly. I'm in the file Excel 1 and I'm in the sheet products. If, for instance, I want to find every occurrence of foodstuffs, I could, on my ribbon towards the far right, use the button called Find and Select. If I click the Find and Select button, I can click the option Find. Notice the shortcut key is also Control F. If I click Find, I can then in this dialog box tell Excel what I want to find. And for example, I want to find foodstuffs. Rather than find each occurrence, I'm going to ask Excel to find all. When I click the Find All button, I'm given a list of all the instances of foodstuffs. In this window, if I place my mouse over the bottom edge and get the double-headed arrow, I could resize it so I can see all 12 cells that it found. And I can move it up by dragging its title. As I click on each listed option, there's an instance of foodstuffs in B3, B21, B22, B40, and so on and so forth. So this has found all instances of foodstuffs and allows me to quickly jump to those particular cells. If I want to find all cells that contain the word food, then I actually use the asterisk or wildcard. I'm going to take out foodstuffs, delete it, and put asterisk, food, asterisk. This will find all cells that contain the word food. There might be information in front of the word food, there might be information after the word food, but it will find all cells that contain food as soon as I click the Find All button. Instead of 12 cells found, I now have 32 cells found. And if I stretch this window a little bit to help me see better, I can see that there's foodstuffs, Good Food Limited, food flyers, and all sorts of cells that contain the word food. And I can easily click and jump to any particular cell containing food.